Many ITX cases are pushing the limits of compact PC builds in 2025. Whether you're looking for sleek aesthetics, high-performance cooling, or maximum GPU support, these cases prove that small form factor doesn't mean sacrificing power. The Fractal Design Terra Graphite is a premium mini ITX case, blending style and functionality with its wood walnut front panel. It supports PCIe 4.0 riser cables, ensuring high-speed GPU performance, while the USB Type-C port keeps it future-proof. The aluminum chassis provides durability without adding bulk, and its tool-free design makes installation effortless. If you want a compact gaming case with a touch of elegance, this is the one to beat. Check the description below for the best deals. For gamers who need portability, the Hyte Revolt 3 is a small form factor powerhouse with a built-in 700-watt gold SFX power supply. No need to hunt for a compatible PSU. This case is ready to go. With easy carry handles and optimized airflow, it's perfect for LAN setups and compact gaming rigs. The vertical layout maximizes space efficiency, while the steel construction ensures durability. Check the description below for the best deals. The Fractal Design Era 2 is a minimalist dream, offering a refined design with premium cooling capabilities. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for space-saving setups, while the high-quality materials ensure durability. The ventilated side panels improve airflow, keeping high-performance components cool. If you want a sleek, modern ITX case that doesn't compromise on performance, this is a top contender. Check the description below for the best deals. For maximum flexibility, the Phanteks Evolv Shift XT is an extendable mini ITX chassis that adapts to your cooling needs. With PCIe Gen 4 riser cable support, digital RGB infinity mirror accents, and space for triple-slot GPUs, it's built for high-performance gaming. The adjustable form factor allows users to expand the case for better cooling or compact it for portability. If you need a case that grows with your setup, this is the perfect choice. Check the description below for the best deals. The NZXT H210i is a mini ITX gaming case designed for clean builds, featuring a tempered glass side panel, integrated RGB lighting, and front I/O USB Type-C connectivity. With water cooling support and cable management features, it ensures a sleek, high-performance setup. The steel frame adds durability, while the pre-installed RGB controller allows for custom lighting effects. If you want a stylish, functional ITX case, this one delivers on all fronts. Check the description below for the best deals. Which mini ITX case will power your next build? Whether you need a premium wood-accented chassis, an extendable gaming case, or a portable powerhouse, these top-tier mini ITX cases will help you build the ultimate compact PC. Check the description below for the best deals and upgrade your setup today.